clean and organize my refrigerator. Has well, see, it's dirty. Organize this freezer. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie Pierce. Follow me over on Instagram at jamie.p12. On this day, I am tackling my inside freezer, my refrigerator, as well as my deep freezer. Both of my freezers was just overdue for a reorganizing, and my inside freezer needed cleaning really good. So I'm going to be tackling this on this day. With me organizing my inside freezer, my goal was to make it to where it was easy access for the kids to come in. They can get their lunch and their breakfast, and if they wanted to make smoothies, it was all right there and they could. And I like to, that small part, I like to keep like my frozen vegetables right there and stuff. So that was my goal to do, is get this taken care of for them, so it was easy for them to just grab lunch, breakfast, or whatever. Because we're going to be doing the virtual learning this year. I am not sending my kids back to school due to all of this COVID. I keep running in and out. I have a deep freezer outside. I've been bringing in all of the corn dogs and the frozen waffles and all that, their popsicles, all the good stuff, because it's just easier for the kids to get if when they get hungry. And I just don't want them going outside late at night when they decide they want to have a corn dog or a midnight snack. I just want it all to be accessible for them right here. Running. This is where I keep running back and forth to. I've got to organize this freezer as well because it's just crammed and so unorganized. And the kids' lunches and their Pop-Tart, waffles, popsicles. So I am organizing this deep freezer. I'm sorry, with the freezer door open, it was fogging up the lenses on the camera. So I was just trying to get this freezer organized to make more room in there. Right here is where I was just teasing my husband and told him that I wanted to get another deep freezer so I can be able to put more food in it. And he told me I was crazy because one deep freezer was enough. But I like to go couponing, so I like to stock up. And if you like this video, can y'all please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I am cleaning out my refrigerator because it's time to clean this one out and organize it as well. It got pretty gross. Right here I was fixing the setting on my refrigerator because it was bumped up to 43 and everything in my refrigerator was not very cold. It was cold enough to keep it good, but not very cold at all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but pretty dirty. All the sandwich meat and the pudding and stuff I put in that very bottom drawer. I had made that drawer for my husband for all of his lunch foods so the kids would stay off of them. And these little containers, I bought at Five Below a while ago, but I recently started using them in the fridge to keep the applesauces and the yogurt and the pudding all to get organized so it's not all over my refrigerator. And right here, I was just checking the expiration date on everything before I put it back in my refrigerator, because I just wanted to make sure I wasn't putting anything that was no good back in there. And I am just using a microfiber cloth with some water to wipe down my fridge. And right here, I was just doing up the kids' snack baskets for the week. I keep that in the pantry, just easy access for them. And the rest of it gets put in another closet, locked up, just so they're not up all night snacking on everything. So I do it this way. They get about 2 to 3 weeks worth of snacks. And it's got to last them for it lasts roughly around 3 weeks. But that's with everybody, getting in there and getting a snack here and there. And if you stay till the end of the video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram, jamie.p12. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday and an awesome weekend. I will talk to you guys later.